Hello and welcome to Commerce Portal. We are going to start our preparation today through research methodology. In this video, I am going to teach research meaning, objective, significance, and especially characteristics a researcher should possess. See, हम लोग हायर स्टडीज़ परस्यू कर रहे हैं तो रिसर्च की बेसिक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए ताकि रिसर्च के क्वेश्चंस जैसे कि इनको सॉल्व कर सकें. एंड रिसर्च इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट इन नेट एग्जाम एज वेल. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट्स बेसिक्स. रिसर्च लिटरली मीन्स सर्च एंड सर्च अगेन. एज वी कैन सी हियर, हम लोग नॉलेज गेन करते हैं रिसर्च के द्वारा एंड हम लोग फिर से रिसर्च करते हैं ताकि न्यू नॉलेज गेन कर सकें. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट it is a cycle to gain new knowledge. Moving on to now, what is research? Research is a search of knowledge. Search of knowledge is divided into two parts, that is a search of knowledge in scientific manner and search of knowledge in systematic manner. Right? Search of knowledge is divided into two parts, scientific and systematic manner. करते हैं वो specific topic होता है. Specific topic के ऊपर specific information gain करने के लिए हम लोग systematically, scientifically उसके ऊपर search करते हैं. Research we can also call it an investigation. So now we can say that research is an art of scientific investigation. Got it? This scientific investigation develops a set of specific skills and mindset that examines the aspect of any professional work. So we can conclude that research is a systematic and methodological process of inquiry and investigation to increase the knowledge. It's all about knowledge. So I'm going to give you some more information that most people don't know, that research survey. The father of research survey is Paul Felix Lazarsfeld. We will lay light upon this in upcoming videos. Why do we use research? हम लोग रिसर्च क्यों करते हैं? न्यू नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए, खोज कर सकें नई नई चीज़ें. It takes us from known to unknown. This study helps us to find unknown. You see, नोन थिंग्स को हम लोग स्टडी एंड सर्च करने पे हम लोगों को अननोन थिंग्स मिलेंगी. सो वी कॉल इट अ स्टडी टू हेल्प अस फ्रॉम नोन टू अननोन. हम लोग जनरलाइजेशंस, थियोरीज एंड प्रिंसिपल्स ऑन ए स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक क्रिएट करने के लिए रिसर्च यूज़ करते हैं. एंड ऑब्वियसली स्टडी ऑन इन्फॉर्मेशन, हम लोगों की नॉलेज, इन्फॉर्मेशन, अवेयरनेस बढ़ाने के लिए भी हम लोग रिसर्च यूज़ करते हैं. मूविंग फर्दर, researchers' characteristics. See, who can research are the basic questions asked in every research test. Who can research? A person who has curiousness about the topic, commitment about his research, open-mindedness about the solutions and advices he is going to receive about the research, inquisitiveness, intelligent search of his research, keen observation with an analytical mind, excellent written and verbal communication to communicate how effective his research has been. The researcher should be capable of gathering accurate and in-depth information from the respondents. See, all in all concludes some basic characteristics like he should have reasonable and critical thinking, he should be very creative, and he should be an able and intelligent person to pursue his research. Okay, these are the basic characteristics that a researcher should have while doing his research. Moving on. Now, research objectives means what is the aim of your research, what are the outcomes of your research. These are all stated in research objective, and these are the few objectives that every research should contain. To be familiar with the phenomena, मतलब आप जो भी टॉपिक ले रहे हैं उसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी आपकी रिसर्च में होनी चाहिए. Second, finding answers to the questions through scientific procedures. फाइंडिंग आंसर्स टू द क्वेश्चंस थ्रू साइंटिफिक प्रोसीजर्स, यानी सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढ रहे हैं हम लोग प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए थ्रू साइंटिफिक प्रोसीजर्स, right? And construct or create a new procedure. Look, I'm going to give you a nice example. We constructed new procedure of hashtag new selfie or hashtag new normal by wearing a mask and taking a selfie. COVID-19 में मास्क पहनकर सेल्फी लेना is the hashtag new normal. Though these are all came through some kind of research and we constructed some new procedures to survive. Then to diagnose research studies or situations, हम लोग कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन ले लेते हैं. पहले सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ही नहीं था, देन 2 फीट डिस्टेंसिंग आया, 2 फीट डिस्टेंसिंग, देन अब 6 फीट डिस्टेंसिंग. ये सब पिछले रिकॉर्ड्स को स्टडी एंड डायग्नोस करने से ही तो आया है. इसीलिए ही हर रिसर्च का एक न्यू नॉलेज जनरेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Here comes the next step, that is to generate new knowledge. And lastly, to test hypothesis of variables, I am going to enlighten on this topic in upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. Moving further to our last slide today. It is the research significance. Research study should seek to contextualize its finding within the larger body of research. Research must always be of high quality in order to produce knowledge that is applicable outside of the research settings. Furthermore, the result of the research study may have implications for policy and future project implementations. The research should contain facts and truth. It should hold qualitative research. Truth or facts हो उस research में, and it should be very qualitative. See, it have implications for policy and future projects. Like in current situation, government increased funding to virological studies, that is a field of study for virus, to find antidote to COVID-19. Like this, every research is important in its aspect and it should be universal as well. By this slide, we come to the end of this video. That's all for today. Meet you in the next video. If you want more, do subscribe.